Chef, welcome back to the Vibe. So today we're making garlic herb shrimp. So today we're gonna try to make this fantastic garlic herb shrimp. We're gonna start off with a little bit of olive oil, then we're gonna add our garlic, shrimp, our spices, paprika, a little bit of Old Bay, a little bit of salt, a little bit of crushed pepper, or condiments, some scallions, some onions, some peppers. You know me, I like to put a little bit of thyme, some white wine, and some butter. So let's get into the video. Let's get into the vibe. Crush that like button. Give us 100 likes on this video. So for this video, we need 100. So I'm not gonna put too much oil because, see, I like to put a little butter. Right? Some people like oil, I like butter. But let's put some more oil just to. So we put our oil in. Then I'm gonna put, see, plenty of garlic. Try not to burn the garlic. So whatever, put the whole thing. So, plenty of garlic, and we try not to burn our garlic. Condiments. Spices we talked about before. Saute a little bit. And right now is the perfect time to put in shrimp. So what I do is I take my shrimp and kind of give it a little butterfly effect like that. So right now is the perfect time to put our shrimp. So I butterflied all of it. So all our shrimp is deveined and butterflied. So put our shrimp in. These are really used. These are nice ones. So shrimp in. As I said, be careful. Don't burn the garlic. There's nothing worse than burnt garlic. So try not to burn the garlic. And you're gonna mess up all that good shrimp and that good vibe. So shrimp in. Now we're gonna put our white wine. Plenty of wine. So if you were on a low flame, what you want to do now is you want to put your flame up so you can get that wine cooking, and that's what's going to cook the shrimp. If you look at that nice color, so what you want to do is you want to just Leave that for like 5-6 minutes and just let that boil. Let that shrimp. Yeah, so you want to leave that, 5-6 minutes. Let that shrimp just boil. Let all that garlic just get in there. And keep giving it a little stir as you go along. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our herbs last, because you don't want to kill the herbs either. So, as I said, if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. All you gotta do is go down to the bottom of your screen and hit that like button. We need 100, actually we need 1,000 likes on this video. So, our shrimp is getting ready. Our vibe is getting right. And we gotta put that wine all the way out. So, actually we're gonna do 3 ounces of butter. So 3 ounces of butter, fresh basil, fresh squeezed lemon, That's our dish.